Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Uttam Datta,
Author of.
Dvaitam, The Rise of Asura, Part 1.
First of all, how does it feel being at the World Book Fair?
It feels very good, especially being a first time author. I have been here earlier, but not as an author, of course.
Right.
So, this is my first time, so it's feeling really good.
Something about your book. How does it stand out in its genre or theme?
The unique thing about this book is it's based upon Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Okay.
The backdrop is absolutely true, and all the characters are picked up from the actual Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Right.
So the unique thing about this book is that I have taken this conflict between Sur and Asur,
Okay.
and I have not been judgmental in it.
Right.
Mostly the stereotypical thing is like Sur are good, Devtas are good, and Asurs are bad. What I've given here is perspectives from both the sides without being judgmental.
Right.
So you see the Asur aspect as well.
Right.
You go through their life, their families, and what tragedies they had to go
Right.
through.
So it's a
that's
neutral kind of like book.
It's a neutral strand.
Right. So one question I have for you, sir. If these characters were to actually live in our current time, how do you think their lives would?
It will be a whole together different story. Now,
Right.
those characters from Satyuga, Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, those characters has much more grandeur than we have. They have Tej,
Right.
they have that aura, they have that presence. So the game is totally different for them.
Right. That's a really interesting perspective, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this experience with us. Have a wonderful book fair. Thank you for visiting.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you.